Oh, now it's next book. Welcome, guys. How's it going? Uh, just starting right now. Had a bit of a problem, but we're back. Um, how's everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing good. It's another week. Yeah, we're back in another week. Just another time. Yep. So yeah, guys, we're just starting right now. Welcome to the live broadcast. Another week, another time. Welcome back. We have another update for you. We're still going to be talking about crypto. The whole of last week, I think 2 weeks now, I've been talking about crypto. I've just been talking about crypto. So I'll continue talking about crypto. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. You can see there, got really had to design this. But kind of the design kind of looks like some anime, right? It was orange, kind of fiery red, clouds. You got the little fox in the center, recovering the future. Shiba Inu, it's another one that you guys should check out. Okay, should just check out and have fun. Okay, so there we go, guys. Just gonna talk about this one. Uh, yeah, it's also about having fun here. So let me just go to the next slide. 17 slides. So market situation. We're just gonna talk about these two. It doesn't have to take a long time. I know, I'm more used to doing like for an hour or but sometimes you don't need to spend the whole hour. So let's see what the market situation is really saying here. So we all know that Donald Trump was at the Nashville Bitcoin conference. Do you guys still remember that? Yes. So not President. Okay, so Donald Trump was at the recent Nashville, at the recent Nashville convention, where he made a number of promises, right, to the cheer and approval of whoever was there that day. So yeah, Donald Trump was in Nashville at the Bitcoin conference. So Donald Trump's recent appearance at the Bitcoin Nashville conference was expected to spark bullish sentiments across the cryptocurrency market. However, recent market trends suggest that the investor attention has been focused primarily on mega cap assets this week, while meme coin space appears to be struggling. So actually, the reverse maybe is what's happening uh, compared to what we were expecting from Donald Trump. So let's let me just uh, do something here, guys. Okay, so maybe a bit of bearish going on. So bearish traders have dominated the short-term market momentum for the Shiba Inu since the sell-off news cycle following the launch of Youth ETF on July the 22nd. So you can see there, guys, got like a chart with some various cryptocurrencies that are there. Yep. So the increased volatility associated with the ETF launch has led cryptocurrency investors to adopt a more cautious trading attitude towards youth custodial assets, including the Shiba Inu. Okay, so definitely, there you go, guys. Um, so it didn't really move the needle, right? Okay, let's just move on. Let's go to the meat of this. So you did hear that Trump said he's going to have maybe more favorable policies towards the cryptocurrency, and that he's going to fire the chairman of the National Treasuries and Securities, some guy. He's going to fire him his first week in office. He also spoke about cryptocurrency, how it doesn't sit well with him that China is currently the dominant player in cryptocurrency. And then also he did express his displeasure in terms of, let's say, okay, America should be the trendsetter, okay? So, and also we did speak on Kamala. Okay, we did speak on Kamala Harris. Excuse me, Kamala Harris. We did also speak on her, right? And and her and how the Dems are also pushing for to come together or come to an understanding with uh, cryptocurrency stakeholders. So yeah, that's what we did speak about. If you want to find out more about that, guys, you can go check out the other live broadcasts that we did there on this channel. Make sure that you follow. Make sure that you also share. So let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next uh, page. So there we go. So short sellers launch another 100 million short position. As of July 31, SHIB's price has fallen 19.18 from its monthly peak of that amount. So that's just under $1, right? Set on July 22nd. Market data now shows that short-term traders appear to be preparing to abandon the token in favor. So there you go, guys. So there we go. Data shows that the short-term traders appear to be preparing to abandon the token in favor of better performing assets. Order book data from the in-block paints a clearer picture of the Shiba Inu bearish outlook. Exchange order books, which assess the flow of buy and sell orders show that a large sell order is forming. Traders have placed orders to sell more than 5.9 trillion SHIB at an average price of that price, guys, that's under $1, which means a potential sell-off worth more than 100 million. In contrast, potential buyers um, have only placed orders of 3.4 trillion SHIB. This difference indicates that there is an excess supply of about 2.5 trillion SHIB in the market. According to the basic law of market supply and demand, excess supply usually puts downward pressure on asset prices. In addition, top 20 competitor cryptocurrencies such as XRP, we also did something like that, BCH and ETH have all outperformed Shiba Inu over the past week. This performance difference suggests that where was I? This performance difference suggests that short-term SHIB traders may tend to sell their holdings more quickly to reinvest in assets that perform better on the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. So let's go. Next up, let's talk about a little bit of analysis for SHIB. Let's see what SHIB is all about. We're not going to waste a lot of time. Analysis, you know how we do it here, guys. So this is the SHIB analysis. So there you go, guys. You can see it right there. 2021 is a bull market for SHIB. It has experienced two large-scale increases after a year of consolidation from 2022 to 2023. It began to rise sharply again in March this year and exceeded the highest point of the first wave of increases. It is very likely to exceed the highest point in the future. Right now, it is still above platform A. So let's go. So there we go. So now let's just break it down. Okay, there we go, guys. So you can see the price movements. We already charted that. This price chart shows a significant price increase in 2021. So if you try to look at 2021 there, you can see some significant price increase. Then it's followed by a sharp decline and also then a prolonged period of sideways movement. Okay, a prolonged period of sideways movement. And so you can also see that there is another notable spike which also occurred in early part of last year, which is 2023, and then also followed by a decline. Okay, so let's establish where the support and the resistance has been. Okay, so there is actually, you can see on the chart, there is that visible resistance level at around 0.000000341, which the price SHIB failed to breach in both 2021 and also in early 2023. So the support level here, guys, there is a support around that 0.000011. You know, these are so funny whenever I do these because they've got a lot of zeros, okay, which has been tested multiple times, okay. So you can also see like we've got a little bit of data from our moving averages as well. Yeah, so there we go. We also have that moving averages. Okay, you can see that there are some moving averages, though their specific periods aren't really indicated. And also you can see that the recent price action seems to be below these moving averages, suggesting there's a bearish trend as well. You can also see that there is also volume, notable spikes. There have been notable spikes in the volume corresponding with the price surges, of course, indicating high trading activity during those periods. Okay. Let's also see another one as well, because I prepared two of them. Like I did talk about the moving averages, the price is below the moving averages, indicating a bearish trend in the short term, okay? And also volume, you can see that volume has decreased significantly since the peaks in 2021 and also 2023, indicating less trading activity and interest, okay? So you can also really see, we'll talk about some potential scenarios and some trading strategies. So bullish scenarios, so if the price holds above the support of that 0.000611, I have to write it down, and volume increases, it could move towards the next resistance at 0.00002342. A breakthrough with high volume could lead to a test of the 0.003941 level. Okay, so trading strategy. So for a long position, what can you do? Consider entering the price shows signs of support at 0.000611 and volume increases with a target towards 0.002342. For short position, consider entering if the price breaks below 0.000611. I had to write it down. With increased volume, targeting the next support at 0.000011. There. So there you go, guys. So let me just so you can see we already spoke about you should also monitor things, monitor volume alongside price movements can provide additional insight into potential trend changes as well. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one and let's see what the next one is all about. Okay, let's go there. Okay, now there you go. Looking at the buying point of on the daily chart, it is currently above the platform, blah blah blah. So let's see this one as well. We usually have two, right? So let me just give you a breakdown of this one and what to expect from this one and what it means, because here it's all about interpretation. Okay, so you can see several key elements here as well. Price action shows a significant spike following a series of lower highs and lower lows, indicating a downtrend. There is a purple horizontal line, you can see that one marked as our point A, which appears to act as a support level around that 0.000010 area. So here you can see from here, guys, basically the price here is currently trending downward towards this support level. Okay, so you can also see moving averages here. They actually clear a shorter period moving average, most likely the 34-day moving average based on previous interactions, right? Is visible. It's sloping downwards. further confirming the bearish trend. Okay, you can also see your MACD there as well. Your MACD histogram is below the zero line, which indicates bearish momentum. So there is really not much to say here, except we want to talk now, discuss about platform A. So we did say that the support for the stop was at point A, which is that platform. The area around that 0.00010, it appears to be a significant support level for this crypto. If the price, usually if you see closely, if the price reaches this area, that is where it's holding. It could present what we call a potential buying opportunity. However, a break below this level could signal further downside. Okay, we also did talk about there's also some resistance here. You can see that there are several horizontal lines marked as potential resistance levels above the current price, with significant resistance around 0.000020 and 0.000034. And also we do have some downtrend lines there as well. That red dashed line that you see indicates a descending trend line. So what this means, which could act as a resistance if the price attempts to move higher. Strategy considerations, okay? If bullish, okay, so these are, I wrote it down. If it's bullish, look for signs of support at the $0.00010 level, such as price stabilization or bullish reversal patterns, combined with a possible bullish divergence in the MACD. If bearish, a break below the 0.010 support could suggest further downside potential. The MACD indicator showing continued bearish momentum would support this view. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile. Always use risk management techniques such as setting stop loss levels, position sizing, and manage potential. Okay, that's where we are right now. So that is the technical analysis that we did, pages 1 and pages 2. Sorry guys, sometimes I have to type certain things when I'm talking because there will be new information I want to add in. So this is for Shiba Inu. Now let's move on to the what? Let's move on to the next one. Let's go to the next one as well. The next cryptocurrency, Solana. I think we spoke about Solana some last week. Yeah, I spoke about Solana as well. So let's just go into the breakdown, right? Let's just go straight into the breakdown without wasting a lot of time. There you go. So Solana there, guys, you can see that is Solana. So you can see the price movement for this one. The chart depicts a significant upward trend from mid-2021 to late 2021, followed by a steep decline. There was another rally in, of course, in 2024, but you can see that the price has since began dropping or moved downwards. So let's also see where is your support for here, guys. So you can see, let's establish your support and your resistance. You can see that there is a notable resistance level around 160, where the price has struggled to sustain above, where the price has struggled to sustain above your support. Also here, guys, support can be observed around the 110 level, where the price has found a floor several times. Moving averages, okay, you can see that there are two moving averages here, right? We've got our two moving averages indicating long term, which is that 200-day moving average, and also short term trends. The recent price action here, guys, you can see that it appears to be hovering around those two moving averages, okay? And you can also realize that here, guys, the price recently broke below the longer term moving average, but it is currently testing this level, whether it's stable or not, whether this is going to be its new support, or there's going to be resistance, because that when it's testing, it's either it's want to see whether it's going to hold up there, it's going to find support there in terms of people going to buy, is they going to be sustaining there, or there's going to be resistance and then it goes down or goes and establish another maybe support, okay? So definitely that is there as well. So we did speak about the moving averages as well. So also our MACD is important. Our MACD is showing signs of some bullish momentum, but the thing is that it is close to zero line, indicating some uncertainty, and maybe there could be a potential consolidation there, okay? And you can see also the volume spikes align with significant price movements, definitely there. So what is the current trend here that we can see? You can see that the price is in its consolidation phase with significant resistance around the 160 and support at 110. You can also see that here our moving averages indicate a potential shift in trend, with the price kind of struggling to break above the long-term moving average, okay? You can also see that there is a bit of momentum shift. The MACD indicator, guys, is kind of like showing some mixed sentiments, right? You can see that clearly. So there is really no clear direction as the lines hover near the 0 point, okay? So yeah, you can't really determine the momentum really here, okay? But what are we supposed to look at here? What are some of the important things that can help us? So these are our key levels, okay? The price needs to break above the 160 level to confirm a bullish reversal. On the downside, a break under 110 could lead to further decline. And so in a nutshell, what can we say about what you are seeing right now on this chart? In a nutshell, what we just go through that. So the market for this cryptocurrency right now appears to be at a critical moment, at a critical juncture. You can see that the price is in a consolidation phase, and the next major move will likely be determined by whether it can break above the resistance or below the support, okay? So watching these key levels, which are your resistance and your support, and also monitoring the volume and also the momentum indicators, will be crucial for making informed trading or investment, taking informed trading and investment positions for this one, guys. So check out for that, guys. You need to check out for that. Definitely, this is something you need to watch out for. Let's see. I think we have another one. Let me see. We always have two, right? Okay. Let's go for the other one. Uh, yeah, sometimes it's a bit difficult to find all these. So the other one, let's go, is just a continuation of this one. Give me a few seconds. Okay, so there you can see there. Let me put it up there. So from the daily chart, you can see that the price is testing the previous highs between 193 to that 209 level. Okay, that is what the chart is saying as well. If the volume increases and breaks through the resistance, you can participate in short-term or long positions. Okay, so you can see that there, guys, definitely. Okay, so possibly we've already discussed that one, right? The price range is between 190 to 209 and 110. It appears strategy for security cards. So for clarity, here's a general approach based on what you're seeing there. So if the price successfully breaks above the resistance range of 193 and 209 with increased trading volume, this could okay. If the price successfully breaks above the resistance range of 193 to 209 with increased trading volume, this could indicate strong buying momentum. In this case, you can consider entering short-term long positions aiming to capitalize on the breakout. Okay, so you can also see that there is also a potential retracement to support level 110. This we'll call it our scenario 2. Okay, our scenario 2. If the price fails to break through the 193 or 209 resistance range and instead falls back, it may indicate a rejection at this level. You can then wait for the price to fall back to the support level around 110. Upon reaching the support level, observe the price action for signs of stabilization or a bullish reversal pattern. If these signs appear and the support level holds, you can consider going long based on the support situation. So some additional considerations you should also make here are the following. Okay, you should make the following: volume and market sentiment. You should try to pay attention to your volume and market sentiment. High volume on a breakout suggests strong conviction, while low volume on a breakout may signal a lack of follow through. Risk management: implement appropriate risk management as well. So these are just some of the steps that I'm just summarizing on here. We've already spoke about this as well, guys. So let's just move on to the I'm kind of loving this crypto. Okay, there you go. So this is our trading reviews. We've spoken on these companies previously. So there you go, guys. We did XRP, Baker Hughes, Valero Energy, ServiceNow, SoundHound AI. These are some of the few companies that you might also go and check out. They're involved in several industries. Okay, some of them are in mining, some of them are in AI, some of them are in also crypto. So these are all the companies that we've basically spoken about. You can also go see the other live shows or the other videos that I've done based on all these companies. And if you want to really find out more, there's really nothing to worry about. Just follow us on our WhatsApp. Okay, if you want to find out more about these companies. Okay, so it's really good for you to find out more what we've talked about these companies. Okay, Arista Networks. So I would really recommend that you go and monitor these companies. You can monitor these companies from July. Okay, you can monitor these companies from July. We did these ones. Those are the recommended dates, and please focus on the long term. If you're a long-term investor, if you're short-term, just focus on the ones that are written short-term. Also, you can see that they do have some buying prices, and whether it's for long term or for short term. So it's really, really up to you guys to begin to decide which one you like or which one you're gonna go for. Okay, so basically that was that. We did 2 cryptos today. So I did the best I could for this. So you guys, you should go and check it out, guys. Okay, especially for I did a live broadcast about this one. So this one was an update for Solana. I think I did Solana on Friday. So this one was just an update for Solana. Okay. We did another one. So this one is kind of like amended. This is an update for Solana that, but I did speak about this one last time as well. You can go and see what I said about that one as well. I don't still remember if it's last week, a Friday or another day, but I did speak on this crypto again. So this time I'm just giving you an update of what's going on with this one. Okay, so definitely, guys, make sure you follow, make sure you stay. We'll see you guys in the next live broadcast. See ya.